beautiful. This is vintage Ravindra Jadeja. The angle, bringing the ball in and just turning it up to go past the outside edge of one of the finest bats in contemporary cricket.
He's cleaned him up. What a delivery right through the defence. And the off stump has gone for a walk. The Indian captain dismissed.